Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews, and today I've got another episode of The Search for Snacks. I ran across these. I think it was at a gas station, and I think you probably find them other places. You might be able to find bigger bags. This one was a small one by Ruffles. Honey mustard, and these are the double crunch. So this is honey mustard for the crunch chips, 2 times the crunch, and for 10 chips, 150 calories, 125 sodium, and it says own your ridges. And it's gonna be honey and mustard. There you go, guys. Get ruffly with it. Wow, very thick. I mean, wow, that's a chunk of chip, and nice and ridgy, roughly. Kind of smell the honey and the mustard, like a honey mustard sauce, like you'd get on chicken or something. Put on your McNuggets. But here we go, double crunch honey mustard. Now, it does taste like the dipping sauce from the McNuggets. Like the McNuggets dipping sauce. Very crunchy, almost too crunchy. A little bit thick on that chip, but very tangy. Mustard is coming through on that a lot. Tastes a little bit of sweetness with the honey, but not so much individual that like it kind of blends with the mustard. I'm getting more of the mustard flavor, that tang, but a little bit of sweet on the back. If I like the double crunch, a little bit too thick. If this was just regular ones, I think it'd be okay. It's extra thick cut. It makes it a little bit really tough crunch. But if you like them really, if you like it really thick, like a chunky chip, this would be the one to get. Oh. Honey mustard coating really is good. Now that might go good with a dipping sauce like ranch, or even honey mustard sauce. You can put it on there, I guess, if you really wanted to. No. Very crunchy though. So for that one, Ruffles double crunch, honey mustard. Like the flavor, a little too tough. 7 out of 11. I wish it was a thinner chip, or like the regular style chips, or even like a wavy one. But this one's not bad. I like the flavor more than I do the style. So if you want to try a little bit different thing, if you want to try a little bit different take on some chips, see if you can find this. I think you could probably find it in a bigger bag. They've also got some of the other Ruffle flavors out now. The cheddars and extreme ones and all that. They're always putting out new flavors, so head on down to your grocery store, your 7-Eleven, or convenience store. See what they got, what flavors they have, and give them all a try. See if you like which one, and let me know what ones you like best. So there you go, my take on that one. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification over there. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So until next time, on Drew's Food Reviews, when I'll be trying something new, crunchy for you. Put those away and I'll have some more another time. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later.